This is a call to action from ScotlandIS in partnership with the Scottish Government to ask for your input to help us build our digital nation. This comes at a key time. We've all faced a difficult few weeks as we respond to the challenges of the COVID-19 crisis. We've seen an acceleration of a number of existing projects designed to close the digital divide or bring private sector innovation to the public sector. This is part of that programme of work. When we carried out our annual survey and the additional temperature checks, you told us that you wanted more opportunities to collaborate, to contribute to the work going on across the public sector in Scotland. This call to action will give you that. This call to action seeks to get insight and input from as many of our innovative companies as possible, from micro to SME and beyond. We want to hear from companies based in Scotland who are committed to helping us develop as a digital nation. We see an opportunity to treat this not just as essential crisis response, but as a catalyst to accelerating the strategic digital transformation of Scotland's public services. By harnessing this collaboration between the public and private sectors, we have the opportunity to create a meaningful and lasting legacy for Scotland, one that will serve us and protect us in any similar crisis in years to come. So help us increase the pace of progress by putting forward challenging and innovative ideas and solutions for how we develop the critical national digital infrastructure. We want your ideas on how we do that in a way that also promotes and supports the technology industry in Scotland. Working with the Scottish Government, we want to know what you think are the key components of a new digital data infrastructure for Scotland and how we should prioritise those. How do we protect the national digital and data assets of Scotland and think about data sovereignty? What are the technical solutions to how we build these components? How could we deliver more essential public services online, from healthcare to education to financial transactions? And how can government work more closely with the private sector to speed delivery, to innovate and to maximise benefits and investment to the Scottish economy? We want to work together to accelerate this rate of change, to open new doors to ways of working and to focus on the changes that can make the biggest difference. So how do you do that? What happens next? We want you to tell us your ideas, to submit them to digitalnation@gov.scot. Visit our website, visit the Scottish Government's website and look out for the calls to action coming across social media. Once your ideas have been submitted, an expert multidisciplinary team formed from the Scottish Government and ScotlandIS will review the results and will look for common themes. They'll make the results available across the Scottish Government. They'll agree the priority actions that we need to take and communicate the findings and recommendations back to you. We hope that the ideas provided will result in some truly groundbreaking and transformational practical projects. These will be taken forward as part of our CivTech process. It has an established track record of bringing the public and private sectors together to deliver innovative solutions and create new commercial opportunities. So please send us your responses to digitalnation@gov.scot. This is the opportunity to help shape the infrastructure and approach to making Scotland the inclusive, enabled, secure digital nation we know it can be. Thank you.